Hey guys, I'm gonna show you what's in the squishy today. So I cut it open already, and it's just like foam basically. And here's the top of it. It was a pineapple like this. I didn't cut this one open. They are very squishy. This one isn't like an actual squishy, but it's still very squishy. I want it at like a little clear thingy. It's like, oh, there's a piece of it on my phone. Just like foam. See? So, I just wanted to show you, just in case you wanted to know what's inside and you didn't want to ruin one of yours or something. And it's just like the plastics, not really plastic, but like more foam stuff outside. I put lotion on mine, and it actually makes it made mine like more squishier for some reason. Just a little bit though. This one did not have lotion on it though. This one's kind of hard. This one is this piece though. So I just wanted to show you. So like and subscribe to my videos, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.